I'm talking to you now. Lagos is moving to Ekpe. I'll tell you guys, who they drive the motor, I won't call that. I'm bringing on stage our president, but I bet you know.
Jagabon, they call me Jagabon one day. Jagabon, they call me Jagabon one day. He go come give his speech.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Brother, right? Everybody went there know my story as a comedian. I went from grass to grace. People pray for me. But I know Ejibo. Yes, now my former tenants with that. I used to stay with my parents, but now my parents. And because I get people who pray for me. Tell me, say, Kennyblaq, if you keep doing what you are doing, people will call you. People like AY pray for me. I know they say amen to every prayer. When I saw my landlord pray for my cousin, say you are going places. Till today, we don't know where the guy did. The guy just walk up and down. I say, where you did? He say, I did places, but no get address. But when they pray for me, somebody pray for me, say, Kennyblaq, president will call you. Ha! I say, amen. I've been opportunity to speak to 2 presidents. The only president I never follow talk. Now Donald Trump, because I know the year which they talk. I'm going to make America get again. When I make America get again, Joe Biden is not going to win. Say, well, we know, we know that everybody in Nigerians are coming home. Yes, they are coming home, they're coming home. But when you pray for me, say, President will call you very, very distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. 2019, Buhari flashed me. I call him back. I didn't fear you. When I go hear his voice, that man has the calmest voice. I just hear, hold on for the president. Hey, how are you? When did I speak? I said, what am I going to do? He said, what we can call me Boo-Boo. I caught the call. I do the event. 2 days ago, Tinubu called me. Chakaban. That man's voice sexy. As I hear hold on for the president, I just hear, as I crack this joke, I see prison. So I see the video everybody. I don't think go jail, go a day, and they come, tell him I said, who is this? He said, what do I do when I'm ready to make a comedy? I said, thank you, sir. He said, Kennyblaq, when you do a town hall. Different from. All of us don't die like this. As music, they trend around the world now. Now, Wike, you know, say Wike don't close to Tinubu, and we just say, Your Excellency, Your Excellency. I'm not talking about how you know what I do here. I'm not doing anything here. Your Excellency, look up on the there is the music. How do these people know me? It is because of my music. My music. Your Excellency, if you want to win this next election, you have to do music. Look at me. I have a band. Yendeba. Even if people know my song, let me try it. As we dey sweet us, eat it. As we dey. So, Your Excellency, you have to drop a music. Tinubu will be like, I don't know how to do it. I've never done a song before. So how am I going to sing it? So, Your Excellency, I will arrange my band. My band and you will compose the song. Eventually in River State. When we get there, we will shock them. I will be the MC. Our next election, we just see Wike, we just come. Everybody, settle down. You are shaking your head. You think I'm going to shaking your head. I'm shaking your head. You think I'm going to look at that. I'm bringing on stage our president. But I bet you know. You can call him Jaga. Band, music. Just come. Follow. We are paid for it. Back up. Jagabon. They call me Jagabon one day. Jagabon. They call me Jagabon one day. He go come give his speech. the drum. Let the poor pray. We have no responsibility. Let the poor pray. People asking what I will do when I get back to office. I'm delighted to tell you, I'm a big one. First day in office. First week in office. Yes. Hit the ground running. Second week in office. Hit the ground running. Third week in office. Hit the ground running. Enjoy your weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, wow, that's my time. I hope you guys.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Since I finish this show, almost everybody when I know they avoid my call. I will call them, they not pick. I'll call them, not pick. I can still go do song to take call them. Funniest thing, I do the song, I post them on my Instagram. The people when I call their name, they see the song, bro. Instead when they invite me, they tell me, your voice is so sweet. You should do an album. Wow, Lagos show. Brazil, tell me the truth. Where you dey go? Before you do a wildlife, carry me go there. I need to go. Back up tomorrow morning, we'll go. We need to go. Because the way this show they go, so if you not go where, they go back to worry. Show won't stress me there. I know if you didn't answer anybody again. Wake me up now. Let match at the talk. Wake me, mash now. I bet me call me pass. Rubbish. Who would tell me to fix on? My life was going well. I decided to pick a date. Rubbish. Can't all these boys from Port Harcourt now. You're calling the talk Curtis.
Are you talking to me?
I stayed in Abuja for a while. I discovered that in Abuja, there is no Curtis in Abuja. We did inside transport, one guy shout, as in one shot, not be here. Yeah, everybody they find also, they find money. Now Abuja be the best place when I see say, yes, and then all of them they pursue one contract. No Curtis in Abuja, not trying. I stayed in Abuja now. I relocate to Lagos. Abuja fake. If anybody there you stay Abuja, you are fake. And I will put it to you that you are fake. First time I enter Abuja, I saw the wear jeans like this kind of dress. My friend come and say, you will not make it like that here. Say if you want to make up Abuja, go so 20 natives. White. Then when you wear them, put biro. One biro means say no contract. 2 biro contract all day. He said, man, when you put the 2 biro, go where people like you when not get work, they go. I said, where? He said, transform heating, the lobby. Now I go to the lobby, the first one I go, I wear white native, I just sit down, baba, call here discussion. I dey hear money when I not go city when I die. I said, one guy, he say, the downstream contract is 46 billion. I shift near the guy. As I near the guy don't talk which place. Mumu me, I don't pull match. I say even the guy they talk the downstream. So me, I don't go from the upstream. The guy don't follow. The guy don't talk rich. Now the guy ask me, say, from which ministry? I say Ministry of Finance. He say finance. The guy look me, I don't look like finance. And the guy say, oh boy, wait. Then he speak Pidgin, so boy, wait. Where you come from? I say, I be worried. Say, Baba, I be worried too now. I be Ministry of Finance, now the code be that. Come and find another person to talk to. They don't go work. Wait, I don't know 1 minute. They don't go work. Now I was okay, where? I call my friend, I said, but I don't go transport, nothing happen. He said, nah, go where people when not get future, they did for Abuja. Beer ban. When I reached beer ban, and then was, I said, I began to see when the way some people they discuss inside beer ban for my mind. 2 days time, me and Buhari supposed to sit down and talk. And you all got to talk. He said, we told Buhari that contract was a fake contract. He shouldn't have signed it. 37.6 trillion. I said, yeah. Trillion. Now once I go meet the guy, I said, Baba, what's your name? I said, I'm Tunde. I said, I'm Kevin. I want to be your friend. The guy said, good. You are doing Abuja. I said, yes, I will help you. Don't worry. 2 days, 3 days. Where I tell you, say, me and that guy, day problem. Now after 2 weeks, I want to drive to Motor, and that guy call me. It's my brother. I don't really want to bother you, but I'm actually in a feast right now. Can I get like 2 million in 2 days time away? I tell you guys, I want you to finally find. No way. The last time I went to park from Abuja, I meet the two for Lagos now. One guy come meet me, real estate. They never come sponsor this my show because they fear me, my mouth no good. Real estate. So I tell one of my guys, say, as I'm talking to you now, Lagos is moving to Ekpe. I'll tell you guys, who they drive the motor, I won't call that. I never stay, I just finish Ekpe, I won't go stay. One inch of them, my friend, in from my back. Now I go buy 4 acres. He not even tell me. Also, during rainy season last year, now I tell me say you want to go check the property. I say, well done. He go come back, carry fresh fish. That's all, but you go check now, carry fresh fish. He said, he will check now, carry fresh fish. He said, all these fish when he carry like this, so now on top of the land, they take them. He said, now here and boat, they say, water is a dry measure in land. Who's all give us, so I don't worry, we'll push it back. Money when they want to push water back, pass the money when they take buy land. Lagos, I beg, let's not on my show. Put a buy ticket, put a call, and I don't see how funny. So please, buy tickets and call. Help me.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.